Welcome to ClickBank, your online marketplace. Have you ever dreamed of working from home? Imagine earning money online, on your own time. That's where ClickBank comes in. ClickBank is like a giant online marketplace, but instead of selling physical products, it sells digital products and online courses. Think ebooks, software, and online memberships. What's really cool about ClickBank is that it connects two groups of people, creators and promoters. Creators make the products and promoters, well, they promote them. You can be either one or even both. As a promoter, you earn a commission for every sale you make. It's like being a digital salesperson, but you don't have to handle any physical products or deal with shipping. ClickBank is a great way to earn passive income. That means you can earn money even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to find out you made money while you were sleeping. While it takes effort to get started, ClickBank offers a flexible and potentially lucrative way to earn money online. So, are you ready to dive into the world of ClickBank and see how you can start earning? Let's explore how this platform works and how you can be a part of it. How ClickBank works. Connecting products and promoters. ClickBank acts as the middleman between creators and promoters. Think of it like a dating service for digital products. Creators list their products on ClickBank, setting their own prices and commission rates. Promoters then browse through these products, looking for ones that interest them and their audience. When a promoter finds a product they believe in, they get a unique link called an affiliate link. This special link tracks their sales. Whenever someone clicks on their link and makes a purchase, the promoter earns a commission. It's that simple. ClickBank handles all the technical stuff like processing payments and tracking sales. You don't have to worry about any of that. You can focus on what you're good at, finding great products and promoting them to the right people. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Creators get their products in front of a larger audience, and promoters get the chance to earn commissions by promoting products they believe in. Now that you understand the basics, let's move on to how you can get started on ClickBank. Getting started on ClickBank. Your first steps to success. Getting started on ClickBank is easier than you might think. First, head over to clickbank.com and create a free account. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll be ready to start exploring the marketplace. Once you're logged in, you can browse through the thousands of products available. Don't be overwhelmed by the choices. You can filter products by category, commission rate, and even popularity. This helps you narrow down your options and find products that fit your interests and target audience. When you find a product you like, take some time to research it. Look at the sales page, read reviews, and even check out the creator's website. You want to make sure it's a high-quality product that you feel confident promoting. Remember, you don't have to be a marketing guru to succeed on ClickBank. With a little effort and the right strategies, you can start earning commissions and building a successful online business. Now that you're familiar with the platform, let's explore how to choose profitable products. Section 4. Choosing winning products. Finding your niche. Choosing the right products to promote is crucial for your success on ClickBank. It's not just about picking what sounds interesting to you. You need to find products that people actually want to buy. Start by thinking about your interests and passions. What are you knowledgeable about? What do you enjoy talking about? Choosing products within your niche will make promoting them more genuine and enjoyable. Next, do some research to see if there's a demand for products in your chosen niche. Are people actively searching for information or solutions related to your interests? You can use tools like Google Trends and keyword research tools to gauge interest. Finally, look for products with high gravity on ClickBank. Gravity is a measure of how well a product is selling. A higher gravity indicates more sales and potentially higher commissions for you. Remember, choosing the right products takes time and research. But by focusing on your passions, understanding market demand, and checking product gravity, you can increase your chances of finding profitable products to promote. Section 5. Promoting like a pro. Strategies for success. Once you've found some great products, it's time to start promoting. There are many ways to promote ClickBank products, and the best approach will depend on your budget, audience, and preferences. One popular method is content marketing. This involves creating valuable and informative content, like blog posts, videos, or social media updates, that subtly promote your affiliate links. By providing value to your audience, you build trust and credibility, making them more likely to click on your links and make a purchase. Another effective strategy is paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring your ads are seen by people who are most likely to be interested in your products. You can also leverage email marketing to build relationships with potential customers and promote your affiliate products. By collecting email addresses and sending out regular newsletters or promotional emails, you can stay top of mind and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to promotion. Experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you and your audience. By consistently putting in the effort, you can start seeing real results and earning commissions from your promotions. Section 6. Measuring your progress, tracking, and optimizing. As you start promoting your ClickBank products, it's essential to track your progress and see what's working and what's not. ClickBank provides built-in tracking tools that allow you to monitor your clicks, sales, and commissions. Pay attention to your click-through rates to see how effective your promotional efforts are. A high click-through rate indicates that your audience is engaging with your content and clicking on your links. Monitor your conversion rates to see how many clicks are turning into actual sales. If you're getting a lot of clicks but not many sales, it might be time to revisit your product choices or promotional strategies. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments along the way. By continuously tracking your performance, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your campaigns for maximum profitability. Section 7. ClickBank, your path to online income. ClickBank offers an incredible opportunity for anyone to earn money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for an additional stream of income, ClickBank provides a flexible and potentially lucrative platform to achieve your financial goals. Remember, success on ClickBank takes time, effort, and persistence. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can build a sustainable online business and achieve financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, explore the world of ClickBank, and see how you can start earning money online today.